Hello, my name's Joe Johnson and I have helped over 30,000 people with dental implant problems, specifically dental implant infections which can lead to dental implant failure. So, the biggest cause of dental implant failure is that you get an infection when you have the implant. And this isn't necessarily your dentist's fault. It's not his dentist's fault at all, really. I had my first dental implants a few years ago. Since then, I've had literally a load done. Perfect teeth for an old man, don't you think? If you're thinking of having dental implants, get them. They're fantastic. But when I first had them, I almost lost them. And the reason was because I got infected. Now, nobody explained to me. I'll explain what goes on. When you first get your dental implants, they will give you a large dose of antibiotics, 2, 3, maybe 4 grams of antibiotics. That's before they even cut you, inject you. After the surgery, after the procedure, they'll then give you a course of antibiotics, typically amoxicillin or metronidazole, something like that. They'll also tell you, because they know the biggest cause of the failure is the antibiotic, is the bacteria that's breeding in your mouth. It's a perfect breeding ground, so they have to keep killing the germs. So they'll tell you to keep rinsing with an antibiotic swilt, a rinse. They'll tell you to do that, or use hydrogen peroxide solution. Everything just to keep the germs down. You can try that. Sometimes they'll encourage you to use a gel, to keep putting the gel onto the stitches to stop the risk of infection. Now, it didn't work for me. I had 2 courses of antibiotics. I used all the gels, all the swilling around, everything. It didn't work, and I got a severe infection. This is what I look like. So you can see I do know what I'm talking about. But I did actually manage to save those teeth. I gave the dentist, I followed everything the dentist said, and I would encourage you to do everything your dentist said. But I followed all of that and nothing was working. So I went back to what I know best. I've been researching to natural remedies for over 25 years. And I've had many clients over the years with severe gum disease, gum infection, periodontal disease. And I've helped them with this remedy, Gum Doctor. Now, Gum Doctor is a mixture of 4 very powerful natural antibiotics. So obviously I was in the you-know-what. The antibiotics didn't work, and I was going to lose these implants. So what I did was this. I just put a few drops of Gum Doctor like that and massaged it into the gums where the infection was. It's really important that. Keep the Gum Doctor remedy, just a couple of drops every couple of hours onto where the stitches were, and it kills off all the bacteria. That's it. Without damaging your immune system. Because if you start swallowing this stuff, it will damage your immune system. You know that. That's why we all end up with yeast infections and stuff like that. Anyway, I used the Gum Doctor remedy for about 2 days, and that was the end of the infections. It started to go. Within 3 or 4 days, everything was fine. The stitches were tight. The gums were hard and tight and pink. Everything was fine. A few weeks later, the dentist went ahead and screwed the top teeth on, and I was very impressed with the results. So much so that I've had a whole mouthful done. But I now never repeat what happened when I first had them done. So what I do now, before every dental implant, I make sure I've got the Gum Doctor remedy ready beforehand. I have the operation, the procedure, whatever you want to call it. I don't bother with the sedation. He gives me the antibiotics and I will take them. Just so I've stuck to exactly because these dentists do know what they're talking about. But what I then do is I put a few drops of Gum Doctor onto the tooth, on the outside, stop all the bacteria from getting in. That's it. So it dramatically reduces the chances of the teeth failing. You don't want dental implant failure, and this will dramatically reduce the chances of that. So and I do know what I'm talking about. If you go on YouTube and type in dental implant problems secrets, that video has been watched over 500,000 times in different places. 500,000. And people sharing it around because it's true, the things that I can point out what will happen to you. So you can dramatically reduce the chances of your implants failing by using the Gum Doctor remedy. Now you can get it from teethneedgums.com. Teeth need gums, because they do. And implants need gums as well. Implants need gums. Anyway, teethneedgums.com. Go there, you can get the remedy. Like all my personal clients and yourself, I will give you a money back guarantee if it doesn't work. It will work. Okay, so I look forward to you having some fantastic teeth and using the remedy to get it now before you get your implants. Get this stuff now and use it, and you'll have a fantastic mouthful of teeth, just like me. An old man with teeth like that, eh? And their implants. That's it, by using the Gum Doctor remedy. Alright, bye for now.